Hey everyone, it's Sam here again. Today I'm giving you the full scoop on VidAU, what it is, who should use it, how easy it is, and whether it's worth your time. If you're thinking of using VidAU, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if it fits you. Let's look through. First, what is VidAU? It's an AI-powered video creation and editing platform designed especially for marketers, content creators, e-commerce sellers, educators, basically anyone who needs to generate videos fast without cameras or full production teams. It's built for people who need social media videos, ad videos, tutorials, or product demos. It's particularly useful for small business owners selling online, because VidAU can take a product link or description and turn it into a video ad almost instantly. Let's talk ease of use. One of the first things I noticed is that the interface is very clean and intuitive. It doesn't feel bloated. I checked many reviews online and many of them agree that even beginners can pick up the tool without much training. From the dashboard, you can do things like URL to video, product to video, edit existing video, or pick a template. You get pre-made templates for many use cases, ads, social posts, training, so you're not starting from a blank screen. You also have an avatar library you can pick from, or do voiceovers, translations, subtitles, all integrated. The editing is modular. You can tweak each part, voice, transitions, timing, after the AI produces a first draft. Here are some of video's strongest features and benefits. 1. URL product to video. You paste a product link or description, and the AI generates a video ad around it. 2. AI avatars and voiceovers. Voice cloning. You can use avatars to speak your message, and even do voice cloning, or pick from many voices. 3. Multilingual translation. Subtitles. VidAU supports many languages 49+, enables translation of video and subtitles so your content can reach global audiences. 4. Face swap, remove watermark, background removal. It offers extra tools such as face swap, watermark, subtitle removal, background removal. 5. Template library and export for platforms. Many templates oriented to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram formats, plus ready export options. 6. Batch speed automation. You can generate multiple videos quickly, faster rendering in higher tiers. Now, pricing and limits. Video uses a credit versus minute system, which means features and video length are tied to your tier. Here's a summary. 1. Free plan. You get a small allocation of credits. 10 credits per month, limited avatar and feature access. Starter plan, $29.90 per month. Gives you more credits, e.g. 15 minutes video, 230 credits, access to avatar and translation, lip sync, etc. 3. Business premium tiers. Larger video minutes quota, API access, more avatars, priority support, faster speeds. 4. Enterprise custom. For high volume, custom pricing. One thing many reviewers flagged is that the credit system can feel restrictive. If you try to make longer videos or use lots of features, you may hit your quota. Also, the jump between tiers can feel steep for some. Pros of VidAU. 1. It's a big time saver. You can go from idea to video fast. 2. It has low barrier. Beginners can use it without steep learning. 3. It comes with rich features, avatars, translation, face swap, and watermark removal. Many advanced tools under one roof. 4. Great for marketing or e-commerce. The URL to video or product video feature is a standout for online sellers. 5. Scalability. Higher tiers offer API, batch generation, priority support. Some disadvantages include 1. Credit limits and quotas. You might run out of credits or hit caps on video minutes. 2. Cost can escalate. To unlock full power, you'll need higher tiers, which become pricey. 3. Sometimes AI isn't perfect. Avatar voice, lip sync, or translation may have slight quirks. This is typical in AI tools. 4. Less control than manual editing. For pros who want full control over every frame, this may feel limiting. 5. Mixed user reviews. On Trustpilot, VidAU has an average of 3.0 out of 5. Some users praise it, some point to customer service delays. Okay, final verdict. If you're someone who needs to pump out social media videos, product promos, or marketing content fast, especially for e-commerce, VidAU is absolutely worth testing. It gives you a lot of power without needing cameras, editors, or big budgets. But if your content needs full cinematic quality, advanced creative editing, or you make long educational videos, there'll be times when you'll bump up against limits. Use the free tier first. Experiment. See if the features and credits match your style. If I were you, I'd try it out for a few marketing videos, test the avatar plus translation, see how natural it feels, then decide whether to upgrade. Thanks so much for watching. If you try VidAU, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.